In this Hike and Go Seekers episode, we are going hiking in the oldest mountain range forest in North America, cooking a delicious backwoods favorite meal in a Dutch oven, and exploring a snow-covered mountain creek located in the middle of the forest. The temperature is in the teens, so we definitely need a fire to stay warm and fed. However, everything is wet from the recent snowfall, so hopefully building a fire won't be a problem. Get your gear ready, because as soon as we finish cooking and eating our breakfast, we'll pick you up and bring you along for an unbearably cold, scrumptious, and peaceful adventure. I can't wait. So we have about a 4-mile hike today. You ready?
Sure.
Let's go. As we hike down the mountainside, we can't stop wondering how beautiful the snow-covered valley floor is going to appear with a stream flowing through it. The truth is, snow is so much more beautiful to look at before man has a chance to mess it up. And in my opinion, there is no better place to experience the beauty of a recent snowfall than deep inside a forest. This is a perfect setting for us to be enjoying Mother Nature in one of her finest moments. Okay, so we finally made it to camp. We're gonna set up camp. We're gonna get our fire going, take a look at our surroundings, and get dinner going. You excited?
I'm hungry.
What's for dinner?
Chicken dumplings.
Hear that, folks? We have some chicken and dumplings coming tonight. Hang tight.
So we need to get a fire going. We've had about 3 to 4 inches of snow last night. And a few days before that, we had some rain. So we're gonna try to get a fire going. We'll see how it goes, but we need a fire to cook. So hopefully we can get it started. So something that's easy and lightweight to carry is dryer lint. If you need to start a fire, dryer lint is something that's easy and light to carry with you. Help you in a pinch. Dryer lint works every time.
Milk is frozen solid here, just from hiking in. Put it here over by the fire and see if we can get it to thaw out a little bit. We're just gonna go ahead and put our semi-frozen chicken breasts into our pot and add some chicken broth. We wanna just make sure that the chicken is covered. We're just going to chop up 1 onion.
and approximately 1 celery stalk chopped.
Okay, so I'm gonna see if I can get out here to the middle, see if I can get a better shot of the creek here for you. Do a little playing while the chicken cooks. Almost made it, just got to get past this one little spot here. So that spot there was a little sketchy. The water didn't come up over my soles though, so my feet stayed dry. How's the chicken coming, Tina? Oh, you don't have the gloves to open it, do you?
Chopping the chicken into pieces to add back to the pot, and then we'll mix up the dumplings. We're going to go ahead and start mixing up the dumplings. We're going to mix in about 1 3/4 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and just a little bit of salt. We're going to give that a mix. And we're going to go ahead on the fire here and melt a tablespoon of butter. Go ahead and pour in our milk. Stir it up just until combined. Just going to take small spoonfuls and just drop them into our liquid, and we'll put them back on the fire for about 15 minutes, and we'll check to make sure that they're cooked through. call that good. Put the lid back on and put it on the fire for about 15 minutes. I've been waiting all day. That's good. Very hot, but good. I can't do it without help, I don't think. Our bellies are full. We're ready to start hiking on back out.
Yes, we are.
It's getting cold.
It's about 32 degrees and it's supposed to get down to about 17 tonight, and we still have one more night of camping in the snow tonight. I'm ready, are you?
I don't know.
I'm ready. We'll pick you back up on trail or back at camp.
As we hike up the mountain, our thoughts continue to think about how beautiful the forest floor was with the snow-covered stream running through it. We are also thinking about having a big hot fire when we get back at camp, and some stuffed mushrooms that we're going to make for a snack tonight.
We got a good fire tonight keeping us warm. You have to have a good fire when it's about 20 degrees outside. It's supposed to get down to about 13. It's pretty cold in the tent, but this is keeping us toasty out here tonight. That's a hot fire right there, folks. After a long day of hiking, check out these mushrooms we're getting ready to eat. These look good. Cheese, stuffing, oh yeah. These are going to be good tonight, folks.
So it's like 19 degrees out and it's only 10 p.m. So of course it's gonna get much colder. But I have on leggings, hiking pants, and hunting bibs, long sleeve shirt, and 2 coats. I'm still cold. Yeah, I have all that on. A little cold out here. I have on a long sleeve shirt, a hoodie, and 2 coats. It just dawned on me. I actually had on more layers than I thought I did.
The hard truth is, some might ask, was the reward for this adventure worth the effort? And our answer is, it was absolutely worth every bit of the effort. We love the great outdoors, and the cold isn't going to keep us from enjoying all that Mother Nature has to offer. This adventure is going in our book as one to remember. If you enjoyed hanging out with us, don't forget to share the love and like this episode and subscribe to our channel so you will be notified when we post our next Hike and Go Seekers adventure. Thank you for watching.